Reek. To smell very strongly and unpleasantly. These shoes reek. I need to wash them. The bathroom reeks. Did someone forget to flush? Sack. To fire, dismiss, or remove someone from their job. I heard they are going to sack 3 people this month. He was sacked yesterday without any warning. Puke. To vomit or throw up. I puked 3 times yesterday because I was sick. My sister puked in the car during the trip. Queasy. Feeling slightly sick or nauseous, as if you might vomit. I get queasy whenever I travel on buses. I'm feeling queasy. I think I need fresh air. Expunge. To remove, delete, or erase something completely, especially from a record, list, or memory. Please expunge my name from the guest list. The court decided to expunge his criminal record. They will expunge old data from the system today. Drowsy. Feeling sleepy and not fully alert, wanting to sleep. Let's talk later. I'm feeling really drowsy. Don't drive if you are feeling drowsy. Decimate. To destroy, kill, or severely damage a large part of something. The hurricane decimated the coastal town. Pollution has decimated the fish in the river. Damp. Slightly wet or moist, not completely dry. Don't sit there, the bench is damp right now. The clothes are damp, so hang them outside again. Shred. To tear or cut something into thin strips or pieces. I forgot to shred those documents last night. I accidentally shredded an important receipt. Torrid. Extremely hot and dry, usually used for weather or climate. We are experiencing a torrid summer this year. It is difficult to work outside in this torrid weather. Capitulate. To give up or surrender, usually after losing all hope or facing too much pressure. The government will not capitulate to terrorist demands. They capitulated when they had no other choice. Congested. Overcrowded, too full, or blocked, making movement, breathing, or flow difficult, like traffic, noise, or places. Don't go that way, it's congested right now. Sorry I'm late, the roads were really congested. My nose is so congested, I can't breathe properly. Fume. Smoke, gas, or vapor, especially if it smells unpleasant or is harmful. Be careful, don't inhale those chemical fumes. The kitchen was full of smoke and cooking fumes. Fume. To feel very angry. Why are you so fuming? Calm down and tell me. He is still fuming about yesterday's incident. Incite. To encourage, provoke, or stir up someone to do something, often negative, like violence, anger, or illegal actions. His speech incited the crowd to protest loudly. He tried to incite anger among the students. Glutton. A person who eats too much food, often greedily or excessively. I'm a glutton when it comes to chocolate cake. He is a real glutton, he ate 3 plates of rice.